Today is day 20 of my YouTube challenge, and I want to share some lessons learned. So if you're thinking about posting on a regular basis, hopefully this video will help you out. Lesson number one, it is hard, right? It takes time to do the research, come up with video ideas, record the videos, spend time editing the videos, adding B-roll, and then of course uploading those to YouTube, doing some title research as well as descriptions. So it's taking a little bit of time. I would say on average, it was taking me over 4 hours per video, but I have whittled that down to just under 3 hours, and it really depends on the length of the video. So it is definitely a time commitment, and I think that's why so many creators do one longer video each week as opposed to multiple videos, or especially one video per day. Number two, I saw a pretty quick spike in views when I first started posting each and every day, and then after about 10 days, it seems to have leveled off. And I'm excited to see how things continue. And I knew that views weren't going to be the main driver for me to do this. I wanted to get used to posting content on a regular basis. I did this for a year on TikTok and the results were amazing. It's quite a bit harder on YouTube when you're posting videos that are quite a bit longer. TikTok, they were 15 seconds. Now they're all over a minute. I don't want to do just shorts. So I will tell you that views weren't the main driver. I know that in order to help more people, then I have to produce more content. So that's more of a driver for me, not just to gain followers for a numbers standpoint and views, but to make a difference. The third lesson learned, you get faster. You get faster at creating videos, editing videos. Everything seems to get quite a bit quicker. I would say that I've been able to nearly cut things in half as far as time is concerned. So that I just think is, the more you're doing it, you're doing this each and every day, those repetitive tasks you get that much quicker at. So I really like that part of it. The days are going way too fast. Way too fast. When you're spending hours each day producing content, then the day tends to slip away. I'm a full-time content creator, and I will say that this is taking a lot more time than I thought it would, but I'm still enjoying it so far. Last but not least, I would encourage you to come up with some type of challenge for yourself, just because I think it holds you accountable. There's days, and today was one of them, where I didn't feel like producing any videos. I've done it for the last 19 days on top of shorts and TikToks, and I just didn't feel like it, but I made the commitment. So it's holding my feet to the fire, so to speak. So I don't know if I would do it daily, but at least one YouTube video each and every week and commit to that. I think you'll be glad you did over time, but it's up to the individual. But I certainly wouldn't shy away from making that commitment. If you're looking to grow on social media, hit that subscribe button and also check out these videos over here. I think they'll be really helpful for you.